We are in a customer's crawl space right now, and they were one of the pilot programs for the mold sensors. And the mold sensor in their living room started triggering on mold growth. So we came out, and the flex ducts coming off the unit. You look inside, a lot of growth in there. And you can tell it's not dust because dust naturally falls to the bottom, and you've got growth on the top. And it's textured, so you know it's not dust. And it's all camouflaged. That's another clear sign it's mold. And it's in all of these lines coming off of the unit. And if you look, you have a UV light here, but the light, the LED light, is not on. So the bulb is not on. So we don't know how long this light has been out, but that may have contributed to the mold. And so what we're doing is we're going to be replacing all the ductwork in the crawl space to just completely get rid of the mold. And there's some of the ducts are going into the basement on the other side of the wall here, and that's all metal, so we're going to clean and sanitize that, and that should be good. But everything else in the crawl space we're going to replace. So clearly you can see that the mold's just off the charts here, and that validates the mold sensor that was triggering it inside, because this runs and feeds the air to where the sensor was. So this is picking up all of this growth, and that's just not good. So yeah, we're gonna replace all this, clean what we can. Now, if you didn't have a mold sensor, you wouldn't have caught it. The mold sensor triggered, and we came out and we did mold testing with, we did our mold testing, and then we had a third party come out and do their own mold testing to verify that what we're picking up is actually true. And that's when I took these lines off and saw all the mold on the ductwork here. And just kind of visually verified what the testing was doing, and just more confirmation that the mold sensor works and that the ductworks need to be replaced down here. So I'm going to take that auger and run it through, because our standard brush and hose won't fit. So I'm just essentially just knocking everything down and pushing it to the main, and then we should be able to access the main downstairs by the garage there.
Yep, so we're replaced all the nasty moldy ductwork and the old insulation, and we'll continue to monitor with the AirGuard, but hopefully that should alleviate all the high mold levels that we saw. That's it.